Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Concepts of Commerce, your virtual learning platform for all the concepts relating to commerce stream. My name is Deepshikha Gandhi and the topic that I am taking for today's video is straight line method of depreciation. Today I am going to take a numerical from straight line method of depreciation. First of all, let's have a look at the question, then we will be solving the question step by step. I request all of you to please take a picture of the question when I share on the screen so that you can refer to the same while we are solving the question. And I would also want all of you to please solve the question with me step by step so that it is very much easy for you all to understand it.
So the question says that on 1st April 2017, Ramesh Enterprises purchased a machinery for 5 lakh rupees and it also spent 20,000 on its installation. Estimated scrap value of the machine is 50,000 at the end of 5th year. We have to prepare machinery account, depreciation account for 3 years using straight line depreciation method, and we have been informed that books are closing on 31st March every year. Now I have highlighted the important information given in the question, that is 5 lakh the original cost, but here we have to add 20,000 also to this purchasing price of the machinery, and that together will give us the original cost of the machinery, because जिस price पर हमने खरीदा plus the money we are spending on the installation will give us the original cost of the machinery. Scrap value that is given at 50,000 rupees. Life 5 years. Method that we are going to use is straight line depreciation method. The same information I have noted down here so that we can proceed with the question. Original cost 5 lakh plus 20,000, 5 lakh 20,000. Scrap value 50,000 rupees. Estimated life 5 years. Method of depreciation straight line method. Financial year is 1st April to 31st March. Now we can calculate the annual depreciation. We know that according to straight line method of depreciation, हर साल asset का depreciation same होता है. So we don't need to calculate the depreciation amount again and again. We can calculate it once and the same amount will be used every year for depreciating the machinery. So the formula for the same is original cost of the asset minus scrap value divided by estimated life of the asset. Original cost as given in the question is 5,20,000 जो हमें मिली है by adding the purchase price and installation cost of the asset. Scrap value that is given as 50,000 rupees divided by life of the asset that is given as 5 years. So we get annual depreciation as 94,000 rupees. So this will be the depreciation amount that we will be using for every year since we are using straight line method of depreciation. Now we will proceed with making of machinery account. सबसे पहले we need to have a format like this. इसमें we will have two sides, one is debit and one is credit. On both the sides we will have three columns, that is date, particulars and amount. सबसे पहले we will make one entry on the debit side when we are purchasing the asset. So सबसे पहले under the date column we will write the year that we are working for, that is 2017. After that we will write April 1, that means the date on which the asset is purchased. Under particulars you will write to bank account because we are purchasing the machinery and we are presuming here that we are paying via check, that means we are making a payment through bank. So under particulars I am writing to bank account, and under amount we will be writing the complete amount that we are using for payment as well as the installation of the machinery, that is 5,20,000. Second step will be recording of depreciation for first year. So we will come to the credit side now and we will be posting the amount of depreciation for first year, जो हमने अभी calculate किया था 94,000 rupees. So under date we will write 2017. Under that we'll write 31st March because the year is completing for the company on 31st March. So we will write 31st March under date column. Under particulars we will be writing by depreciation account, and under amount we will write the depreciation for first year, that is 94,000. इसके बाद अगेन वी विल मेक वन एंट्री ऑन द क्रेडिट साइड इटसेल्फ, जहां पर हम शो करेंगे व्हाट इज द बैलेंसिंग फिगर ऑफ द मशीन एट द एंड ऑफ फर्स्ट ईयर. सो जैसे कि हमने अभी नोट किया कि द मशीनरी इज परचेज फॉर 5,20,000 रुपीज़, जिसकी एंट्री हमने डेबिट साइड पर कर दी. उसके बाद वी हैव मेड वन एंट्री for depreciation for first year 94,000 rupees. That means आपने मशीनरी परचेज की थी 5,20,000 की, बट वो पहले साल में depreciate कर चुकी है by 94,000 rupees. So at the end of first year, the machinery is having a value of 4,26,000 rupees, जो हमें मिला है by subtracting the amount of depreciation for first year from the purchase price or the original cost of the asset, that is 5,20,000 rupees. So we will make an entry on the credit side. 31st March we will write under the date. Particulars में we will write by bar it down, which will show the balancing figure of the asset at the end of first year. Under amount we will write the amount of the asset that is remaining after subtracting the depreciation of first year. Now we will make a total of both the sides, debit and credit, which is coming to 5,20,000 on both the sides. So here we have completed the first year in the books of accounts for machinery account. Now we will come to the second year, and first entry we will make on the debit side. सबसे पहले date के अंदर we will write the year for which we are working, that is 2018. After that we will write the first day of the financial year, that is 1st April. अंडर पर्टिकुलर्स वी विल राइट द ओपनिंग बैलेंस ऑफ द मशीनरी, मीन्स जब ये साल शुरू होता है आपकी मशीनरी की वैल्यू क्या है. दैट इज द सेम व्हाट वाज द क्लोजिंग बैलेंस ऑफ द मशीनरी प्रीवियस ईयर, दैट इज 4,26,000 रुपीज़. दैट मीन्स जब 2018 स्टार्ट होता है आपकी मशीनरी की वैल्यू है 4,26,000 रुपये. नाउ वी विल कम ऑन द क्रेडिट साइड for 2018. So under date we will write 2018. उसके नीचे we will write March 31, that is the last day of the financial year, and we will make a recording of depreciation for year 2. So जैसे हमने year 1 में किया था, we will write under particulars by depreciation account, and we will make a recording of the amount of depreciation for second year, जो कि same रहेगा जो आपके first year में था, 94,000 rupees. That means second year में भी आपकी मशीन depreciate होती है by 94,000 rupees. Next entry will again be on credit side to record the balancing figure of machinery after subtracting depreciation for second year. So इसके लिए आप वैल्यू लेंगे opening balance, that means for machinery for the second year, जो कि हमारा था 4,26,000 रुपये, एंड पूरे साल में second year में आपकी मशीनरी depreciate होती है again 94,000 रुपीज़. So जब second year ख़त्म होता है, 2018 ख़त्म होता है, आपकी मशीन की वैल्यू बची है 3,32,000 रुपये. Again we will make a total of both the sides for second year, जो कि होगा 4,26,000 on both the sides. Now coming to the third year, that is 2019. So सबसे पहले आप डेट के अंदर लिखेंगे first day of the financial year, that is April 1. Under particulars you will write to balance brought down, and amount में आप लिखेंगे जो आपकी मशीनरी की वैल्यू बची है when you are starting the third year, and अब आपकी मशीनरी की वैल्यू है 3,32,000, बिकॉज वो पिछले 2 सालों में 94,000 every year depreciate हो चुकी है. So opening balance for the third year is 3,32,000 that we are going to record on the debit side. Now again we will make an entry on the credit side. Date के अंदर we will write 31st March. Particulars में by depreciation account, and under amount we will write the depreciation amount for the third year, that will again be 94,000 rupees. And again we will be doing the same what we have done for the previous 2 years. We will find the balancing figure of the machinery at the end of third year, that we can calculate by subtracting depreciation for third year, that is 94,000 rupees, from the opening balance of the machinery for the year 2019, जो कि हमारा था 3,32,000 रुपये. सो जब 2019 स्टार्ट हुआ आपकी मशीन की वैल्यू थी 3,32,000 रुपये, एंड थर्ड ईयर में आपकी मशीन डेप्रिशिएट होती है बाय 94,000 रुपीज़. सो जब तक आपका थर्ड ईयर ख़त्म होता है आपकी मशीन की वैल्यू बचती है 2,38,000 रुपये. दैट वी आर गोइंग टू राइट ऑन द क्रेडिट साइड 31st March by balance carried down 2,38,000 rupees. And after that, we can make a total for the third year, which will come to 3,32,000 both the sides, and this will complete our machinery account for 3 years. Now let's start with preparation of depreciation account. So first of all, we need to have a format like this. Two sides we need to have here, debit and credit, and for each of the side we will have date, particulars and amount. So for the first year, that is 2017, we have to write the amount by which the machinery is depreciating. So for the first year, that is 2017, the machinery is depreciating by 94,000 rupees. So under date, we will write first the year, that is 2017. Thereafter, the date and the month. Under particulars, we will write to machinery account because here the machinery is depreciating. So under particulars, machinery account will come, and under amount, that is on the debit side, we will write 94,000 rupees because that is the depreciation for first year. Now we need to take this balance of depreciation, that is 94,000 rupees, to profit and loss account. So we will write that on the credit side, 2017 on the top, that is the year. After that, we will write the month and the date, and under particulars, we will write by profit and loss account because the depreciation balance will be carried to profit and loss account now. And under the amount, the same amount will come, that is 94,000 rupees. For completing the first year, that is 2017, now just make a total of both the sides, that is 94,000 each. In the same manner, we can prepare depreciation account for 3 years, that is 2017, 18 and 19. सिर्फ आपको डेबिट साइड पर अमाउंट मेंशन करना है जिससे आपका मशीन डेप्रिशिएट हो रहा है एवरी ईयर, that is 94,000 rupees. Then on the credit side, you have to take this balance of the particular year to profit and loss account, which will be same, that is 94,000 rupees. उसके बाद आपको सिर्फ टोटल करना है डेबिट एंड क्रेडिट साइड का, जो अगेन 94,000 rupees होगा. So this way we can complete the depreciation account for 3 years as asked in the question as well.